When tenants leave, it doesn't need to be expensive or time-consuming. uRental will help. This is John. When he realised his tenants were moving, he went online and visited urentalpm.com.au. All he needed to do was add some photos and details of his house on the uRental website. uRental then advertised John's property on realestate.com.au for hundreds of potential tenants to view. When a tenant sees the property, they look at the open time John has set and come to view the property. John gives the tenant an application form to apply, then uRental writes up the tenancy agreement. Easy. John likes uRental. He meets tenants, shows them around and chooses who rents his property. All while, uRental completes the legal requirements. If you're looking for tenants for your property, visit uRental online now.